Let's try this again. Right. Now to see what it feels like with a professional rider.
Just wanna have fun.
Those corners. It is gonna be fast as shit. Oh fuck, 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 fuck. Let's go. Put his butt over already. I have to release my opposite hand to the arm he is on. So right now my right hand is off of this handlebar. He is literally nuts. But it gives you an idea of what these guys can do. And he has literally had the lap time at this track before. So as we look at our exit and where we need to go, shit, that's slow. Change gear. A tight 5. It's over. See that head dip? These tires are skidding. Or his rubber is fucking literally touch my hand on the ground if I wanted to right now. They just really show you what these machines can do, and it's fucking insane. It's fucking insane. Hard brakes. He's always up on that candy cane after 1 and basically into 2. Woo! Just did a wheelie with me. Oh my gosh. That's one for the records. Okay, now that you've shown me what that's supposed to look like and feel like.
Right, and you see a little bit more of the body timing of things.
Yep.
That has to be rolled through some of the stuff.
Yes, like if we're gonna go that fast, like experiencing it on a 2-up is, it's like putting it into practice. When you say like when you go faster, everything has to come a lot faster. So yeah, when I'm looking at my tapes and I'm like, yep, I tipped in too late because I'm coming faster. I got to make everything sooner and quicker.
Like how
early, yeah.
The brakes come on sooner. All this stuff, and actually how much brakes we stick with the brakes till we get the result that we're looking for.
Exactly.
Right, and it's like some of the times in one, it seems like we're just off the brakes too early because we're still pointing towards the outside. So in the middle, like more pressure or something's got to be changed. So using those brakes for the result that we're looking for and keeping the speed rolling for the rest of it. So
okay, nice wheelie. Thank you, E.
Absolutely.
All right, let's do this again. Oh, wow, that camera's been on this whole time? I guess it's just been staring at people. All right. Let's apply it. He's doing a fucking wheelie, bro.